Good day, friends. Today's class will be exciting and I want you to watch to the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel and you have not followed me on Facebook, this is the right time to do so. We want to continue our class on, we want to start our class on number-based system by examining the question on the board. We have convert 3B9 base 12 to base 10, convert 5603 base 8 to base 10, convert 1011.101 base 2 to base 10. For you to convert any number base to base 10, the first thing you have to do is to multiply. If the reverse is you want to convert from base 10 to any other basis, you will divide. So let's solve the problem on the board. Convert 3B9 base 12 to base 10. So we start solution. So we have 3B9 base 12. So for you to convert to base 10, you write down the place value. So the place value of 9 here is 0, the place value of B here is 1, the place value of 3 here is 2. So we multiply. We have 3 times the base, that's 12, raised to power 2, plus B times 12, raised to power 1, plus 0 times 9, raised to power 0. So we have 12 raised to power 2, that's 144, plus B in duodecimal. Let's see what it means. There are some letters we use in representing duodecimal. Or let's start with hexadecimal. When you get to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we don't write 10. We write 10 as A, B as 11. Let's say the list. Here's the list. A, B, C, D, E, and F. A is representing 10. B is representing 11. C is representing 12. D is representing 13. E is representing 14. F is representing 15. So this is hexadecimal. So B here is representing 11. So we say 11 times 12 raised to power 1 is 12 plus, okay, 3 times 12, B times 12, this should be 9 times 12 raised to power 0. So when we have 9 times 12 raised to power 0 is 1. So when we do everything, 3 times 144. 3 times 144. So it has to give you 432. We have 11 times 12, 132. Plus 9 times 1, 9. So we add up everything. We have 432 plus 132 plus 9. So we have 573 base 10. We are converting to base 10. We want to solve the next problem. Question number 3. Convert 1011.101 base 2 to base 10. So we have 1011.101 base 2. We want to convert it to base 10. We have what we call the whole number part and the fractional part. So the whole number part is starting from this 1. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. The fractional part is starting from here. We call it tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So this one will be minus 1, followed by minus 2, minus 3. Once you set up your work like that, you can then multiply. So the first one is 1 here, times base 2, plus the power is 3, plus 0, times 2, that's 2, plus 1, times 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1, plus 0 times 2 raised to power minus 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3. So once you set up your work like that, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So once you set up your work like that, you can just say 1, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. This is already 0. 0 times anything is 0. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1 in indices means you turn it to fraction. 2 raised to power 1. Plus this is already 0. 0 times anything is 0. Plus 1 times, turn this one to fraction, that's 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So that will give you 1 times 8, 8, plus 0, plus 2 times 1, 2, plus 1 times 1, 1, plus 1 times 1, 1, that's 1 over 2. 2 raised to power 1 is 2, plus this is 0 already. 1 times 1, 1. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So we want to do everything. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 1 over 2 means 0.5. 1 over 8 means 0.625. That's 1 divided by 8. That's 0.125. So that will give you, when we add everything, plus 0.5 plus 11. So that will give you 11.625. Base 10. So that is how to convert numbers from base, any other bases, to base 10. This is where I will drop the curtain on this video. If you have any topic you want us to treat at all, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be ready to treat those topics. I hope you have gained something in this video. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.